Hey everybody, it's Brent in Arkansas. The book is published. About time. Well, let me tell you, this took a lot of effort. A lot more than I expected. And it took me places I never thought I would go. But it was a good experience overall. And I'm getting pretty decent sales. But this video is to explain a little bit to you about what's going on with the book. I've got 3 versions available. I've got a Kindle ebook version available, and I've got a color version available, and I've got a black and white version available. The only difference between the black and white and color version, they look exactly the same, or the color version has color pictures on the inside. And let me show you one here. This is the amaranth color. You can see on the left is a picture of a grow, which you can expect if you grow this way. And on the right are what I call quick start cards, which details all the little specifics. And I designed the book this way so that you can just open it to the page, set it on the counter like that, and you'll have the detailed information. It's for a quick start, just like you would see in some other manual for a product you buy. So the color version, let me see if I can find it real quick here. Page 1. So there's the black and white. Hold it open for you. And this is the color. So that's really the only difference. It's just kind of the look on the inside. Now the color version is quite a bit more expensive. I didn't have any control over that. It costs 5 times more to print the color version than it does the black and white version. And I'm going with the publisher that's listed in the description. If you click on the link, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And for you that have bought the book, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, the pricing for the book I cannot control. When you publish through this publisher, they ask you to list the price, what you want to charge for it, and then that'll change. It's already changed. Today it went down several dollars, and I called the publisher and I was like, hey, what's going on? Are you taking away from our royalties by selling it lower? And that's just not the case. They have the option to reduce prices that comes out of their expense, I guess because the company wants to sell more books. So that's good for you guys. Doesn't affect me at all. So if you're interested in buying the book, you can go into the description. It's also in my store, and it'll list the various versions, the ebook version, the color version, and the black and white version. So the importance of that is there's 3 different versions available to meet your needs, and yeah, the pricing is going to be set by them more or less. What else? So the book will tell you how to gain access to the unlisted documented videos. Those videos are also YouTube videos that detail more information than the public videos that I've released when I do a grow. And lots of good information there on very detailed aspects related to the book on how to grow. It also has detailed videos on information on how to build the things that are mentioned in the book. So there's lots of good information in the unlisted videos. I also have a closed Facebook group, and many people are already there. I think there's like 10 or so folks there right now. So yeah, if you're interested in joining the Facebook closed group, the book details how to gain access to that. And I'd sure like to see you over there. We can discuss all kinds of things, and Facebook, you know, allows us to share video and photographs and, you know, like each other and all that great stuff that Facebook has. So yeah, the Facebook is an integral closed book to support the to support the book, as well as the unlisted videos. That's pretty much it. I think everything I wanted to talk about. I wanted to show the book, talk about it a little bit, the pricing. I'm not going to talk about the way I grow and, you know, the massive harvests and how phenomenal and brilliant everything is. It grows without fungus and it's consistent and wonderful. That would just be like bragging, and I'm not going to do that. I don't want to be that type of person to do that. So if you're I crack myself up sometimes. So anyway, yeah, if you have any questions about the book, what have you, leave them below. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Leave comments, leave thumbs up, even a thumbs down if you want to. Just let me know why. I'd appreciate that. Yeah, I appreciate you coming and viewing the video. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later. I almost forgot this part, so I want to inject it into the video. Whenever I produce a public video, if you're subscribed to me, and I do want you to subscribe, I really appreciate those who subscribe. But if you're interested in book-related stuff, unlisted videos will be mentioned at the beginning of public videos. There'll be a blurb at the very beginning that said that there's a more detailed version available for book support. I'll put a picture of kind of what to expect here. So if you're subscribed to me, you'll see that notation, and then you'll know you can go over to the unlisted version and find that and watch that video. There's no way to, if you're subscribed, when I post unlisted, it doesn't send out a message to everybody for obvious reasons. So that's the way I'm going to identify that there's a new video out. And it's more for those who are interested in the videos only and not want to be part of Facebook. But for those of you who are in the Facebook group, obviously anytime I put an unlisted video up, it'll be placed in the Facebook group as well. So yeah, I forgot to mention that part. So now we'll continue with the video.